not setting up a tent. We're laying the foundation of a new nation. Camping? Nah, this is manual labor disguised as leisure. DD tarp, or BB shelter. I know exactly what I'm doing. That's the problem. It's not confusion. It's the curse of knowing too much. At this point, I'm already half drained. So I hang the mosquito coil on the tent stake. Not for style, but survival. Oh, come on. This is not the time. I'm literally getting bitten right now. All right, DD tarp. Bold choice. Real bold. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. This ain't it. Mosquitoes win. Okay. Tarp and BB shelter. This is it. This is the move. Anyone who says otherwise, they just don't get camping. No hammer needed. I just push it in, 40-centimeter stake, straight down like it's tofu. What is this? A camping site or a sponge cake? All right, quick detour, folks. This is private land. Yeah, I know. Doesn't match the chaos so far. But look at this. Just look. Had to show you. Felt like the forest would get offended if I didn't. Yeah, Tealed. Let's take a little flight into that sunlit forest over there.
And the young ones shouldn't be afraid to live low while the flame is strong, 'cause we may not be the young ones very long. Tomorrow, why wait until tomorrow? 'Cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love.
Oops, almost hit the line. Whew, close one.
Song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young.
Ooh, felt like we just flew together. All right, back to the ground, back to the bugs. It's hot. Not just hot, but why did I come outside kind of hot? And it's worse because it just rained. Now the air's like a wet towel that hates me. Still tying knots. No stopper. Just me, the rope, and years of stubborn pride. Who needs convenience when you have pure, unnecessary struggle? All right, support pole engaged. Gotta secure that sweet, premium backspace. Is it necessary? No. Is it satisfying? Absolutely. These fingers weren't made for knots, man. They were made for, I dunno, holding meat. Every loop feels like brain surgery with sausages. Maybe in my next life, I get long, nimble fingers, like a guy who plays the harp. Come on, just go in. Why is this hole so small? Who designed this? A squirrel? All right, tension check. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Good pull, buddy. Tight slap approved. All right, finally, the BB shelter. Home, sweet, sweaty home. Let's make this bug-free miracle happen. This one's based on the BB shelter. You know, like the military sniper ones. Not the real deal, but inspired. Same look, less gunfire. Now, I use it to hide from bugs and emotions. Sniper vibes. Totally my type. Boom. This part here is going to be right above my face when I lie down. The two poles cross up top to give me a bit of breathing room. Hey, look at this. Doesn't it look like a little dog tent? Kinda cute, right? Too bad I'm the dog. All right, time to slide the pole into the foot end sleeve. Only one pole back here, so yeah, no self-standing. It's a bit wobbly like my confidence. Well, look, who's still here? BD tarp, just lying there like it owns the place. All right, let's clean it up. No one else is gonna do it anyway. Mesh doors up. Finally, a barrier between me and everything that bites. Might actually sleep tonight, maybe? Sleeping bag in, mats down, mesh closed. That'll do. Coleman white gas. The old warrior still breathes. Pine branches everywhere. Got the axe. Doing the rounds. But they're all damp. Might end up with more smoke than fire. Too long. Not gonna fit like that. Let's trim it down. Just enough to feed the flame, not my ego. Done with that. Wood's good. Moving on. Yeah, it's all wet. Starting a fire with that. That's insane. So I brought birch, just in case. White gas in. Been a while. Still smells like memories. Not lighting it yet, just giving it a few pumps. Feels right. Thought it was done for. Guess not. Still kicking. That's my guy. 3 oil lanterns. 1, 2. Yeah, all 3. This is either dedication or poor life choices. Gonna fill them up anyway. Feeding the lanterns. Like they're my kids or something? Eat up, little guys. Big night ahead. Fireproof mats down. So hey, no angry comments, all right? I'm not trying to burn the forest. Titanium fire pit. Light as a feather, shaped like a crown. Real fancy. Only catch, you build the whole crown, one piece at a time. Still, it packs down small. That's why it comes with me. Beer first. Then, let's build this thing. Cheers. Yeah, that felt weird. Seriously, that was cringe. That's good. Almost makes me forget what I'm about to build. All right, little guy. Easy now. One tooth at a time. No rush. Daddy's here. He who wears the crown must bear its weight. In this case, 600 grams of titanium and 24 sharp little teeth. Almost there. Come on, champ. One last push. You built IKEA furniture. You can do this. I'm not mad. I swear I'm not. This has nothing to do with the fire pit. I just really like splitting wood. Hard. Getting hungry. Time for ramen. Nothing fancy, just the good stuff. Tiny wok on a tiny fire pit. One bad move, and it's all over. Ramen, pride, everything. Noodles in. And of course, the crumbs. Bag shake is the law. Anyone who skips it, criminal. Look at that boil. Way faster than at home. Feels like triple speed. Nature's turbo mode. All right, easy. One wrong move, and it's noodles on the dirt. This is a sacred transfer. No seat. This is a standing ramen situation. You thought Han River Ramen was the best. Ever heard of Club Ramen? Yeah, didn't think so. Ramen's done. Time for round 2. Birch firewood, clean, hot, no drama. Just how I like it. I just ate. Could sit down, maybe lie back a little, but no. A camper stays busy. I want to cook something simple on the fire pit. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just something about fire, real fire, makes it feel special. I don't know. I like this kind of thing. In a world that's too easy, too convenient, it's the small struggles that make me feel human. Look at this tiny pressure cooker. I know, it's ridiculous, but it gets the job done. Rice goes in, just enough for one tired soul. Cute? No, this is tactical. Totally tactical. Yeah, that logo says Jip-Bap, home cooked. Made it myself. Just a little touch. Totally unnecessary. But hey, looks kinda cool, right? A flask of baijiu. Because tonight, water just won't cut it. Titanium flask, leather case, funnel, built in, totally unnecessary, and that's what makes it awesome. Titanium frying pan, feather light, but today it's holding shrimp dumplings like it was born for this. Crispy bottom, sizzling joy. I didn't come here to play. Rice is done. Did it turn out well? Of course it did. This isn't my first time. Yeah, that's rice. Real rice. A-Tilt, thanks for sticking around, friends. I'm gonna wrap it up with one last beer, paired with that sunset over there. Oh, and by the way, while this song plays out, I'm dropping some B-roll. Take a look at how I shot all this. Get some rest, and I'll see you next time.
Once in every lifetime comes a love like this.